Hi, my name is John Cano and this is my Project 2 analyst. In the statement of goals and choices, I explain how my project was dealt with throughout the weeks that we were assigned. It gives an outline of the project and how I got my ideas. I chose to do option B because it was a little better fit for my product I chose to do. The multi-model requirement made my choice because the videos are directions to how to set up a pitching machine. And if you don't know how to set up a pitching machine, this would be a perfect blog to do. My intended audience of this was anyone that was involved with baseball. Pitching machines are definitely a impactful part of baseball and a baseball player's success. With the media side of it, I chose this audience because usually many followers or even unexperienced coaches want to learn how to get the most pitching out of the pitching machine. The content was based off how a baseball fan would look at the blog by with the stats of each level of baseball. They will gain lots of knowledge in the idea of baseball levels. I start off my blog with a picture of me because what this does, it actually gives me more credibility towards this type of product because I've played baseball and I've gone past high school baseball and I've played in a college baseball game. A lot of the background of the pitching machine because a lot of people don't realize how the pitching machine was made and how it came to somebody's idea. That explains how to use the pitching machine, and it gives a great idea of how and why a pitching machine is used today. Thank you.